Welcome to a guided breathing session to decrease stress and anxiety. Thank you for your time and your attention. My name's Coach Erin. Find a comfortable place to sit, lie down, and rest. As comfortable as you can be in uninterrupted time to downregulate the nervous system. As you're finding your position, gently close your eyes. Start to breathe through the nose. Breathing in and out. Notice the quality of your breath as you came into this session. Notice if it was short, shallow, irregular. Just take notice. Try not to judge or be critical. Just be aware. And with the mouth closed, breathing through the nose, I'd like you to notice the temperature of the air on your inhale being slightly cooler as you breathe in. Then on the exhale, notice the breath coming out being slightly warmer. As the air moves in and out of the nose, it moves through a filtration system that is antibacterial, antifungal. It filters out the air we breathe in. This is why the nose is for breathing and the mouth is for eating. Breathing through the nose is going to be something that will support your health and well-being. We also pick up something called nitric oxide in the nasal cavity when we breathe through the nose. This is an important molecule for so many functions within the body. So as you're starting this gentle breathing session, just know that inhaling through the nose specifically is extremely important for our health. There'll be times that we will inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth today. But the entire practice, I'd like you to be breathing in through the nose, just to get the benefit of that nitric oxide. If you're able to, put your hands on your ribs. And the lungs are settled in the chest area behind the rib cage. If you're used to breathing shallow, then most of the time your breath will come from the neck and shoulders. And you'll feel like when you take a big, deep breath, you're rising up vertically, sucking in on the inhale. I'd like to change that breathing pattern, if that's your regular breathing pattern, to more of a diaphragmatic breathing pattern using your respiratory diaphragm. It's the muscle that's located right around the ribs. It's a long, flat muscle. When you inhale, it should lower and flatten down so that the ribs will expand out on your inhale and your belly gets a stretch when you breathe in, your low back gets a stretch when you breathe in, and the pelvic floor. So start to work on that, feeling when you inhale, the ribs expand out laterally, like you're puffing up in the middle of your body. And then when you exhale, fully exhale and feel everything draw in, like your body's being hugged. Your belly comes in, everything draws in towards the middle part of the body. So it's an inhale like you're blowing up a balloon. And then it's an exhale like that air's releasing out of the balloon and we're drawing everything in, hugging in. Good. Continue that perfect, beautiful 360-degree breath as you inhale, expand, open 360. And as you exhale, release, everything draws in towards the midline. Right now we have an even breath. It's about a 4-second inhale, followed by a 4-second exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathing through the nose. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Keep this pace nice and easy through the nose. Breathe out. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Beautiful. Now let the breath come more natural, just taking a moment here. Don't try to control it. Just relax. Notice what you feel with this balanced breath. This balanced breath is like water. Keep coming back to it throughout the day. It's always going to be good to balance the nervous system and to keep a nice steady pace. So we're not breathing short, shallow, quick breaths that will create more anxiety and stress in the body, but we're more balanced with our breath, which will make the body and mind more balanced. Think of emotional stability and that breath being very connected to that state. When we're balanced in the breath, we're balanced in the body, and we're balanced in the mind. From here, we're going to move into more of a cleansing breath. So if you have been experiencing stress and anxiety, this is a great way to release some of that energy. You'll be inhaling a 3-part breath. You'll inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, and the chest. You'll take a stretch from the inside out. Then on the exhale, open your mouth, exhale, sigh. So it sounds like this. Inhale, exhale. That's what I'm looking for. Let's begin. Inhale, fill the belly, the ribs expand, and the chest expands. Inhale, expand and stretch, hold it at the top. Then open your mouth, exhale, sigh. Go to the end of the breath. Inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest, hold the breath at the top. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, release, go to the very end of your breath and feel how the belly draws in. You feel that little squeeze. Repeat, inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest, hold the breath. Open your mouth, exhale, release. Let any stress, tension, fear, anxiety, let it go. Go to the end of the breath, hold for a moment. Then repeat, inhale, fill, belly, ribs, chest, hold the breath at the top. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Feel everything draw in towards the midline. 3 more breaths, inhale, fill, belly, ribs, chest. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Be loud with this, be vocal. 2 more, inhale, fill the belly, the ribs, the chest, stretch from the inside out. Open your mouth, exhale, release. Release that tension, release that pain, release that fear. Last time, inhale, fill. Take that stretch from the inside out. Open your mouth, exhale, sigh, and release. Go to the very end of your breath. Relax. Come back to natural breathing without controlling the breath. Just be easy, be still, be soft. Notice what you feel. Notice the energy in the body. Hopefully things are moving and flowing better from this type of practice. And we'll finish our practice with a few humming-bee breaths. This will create more nitric oxide in the nasal cavity. It's been researched and proven to show that it's 15 times more nitric oxide. When you do this breath, it's the same pace. It's about a 4-second inhale and then a little bit of a longer exhale, and the exhale will have a hum. So it sounds like this. Inhale through the nose, exhale. And you just go to the end of your breath. What you're looking for here is a vibration in the nasal cavity and the face. You'll feel it. Also, you can have a higher tone or a lower pitch like I just had. It's just up to you. Let's play around with this breath. If you're new to this, don't stress. It can feel weird at first, but it's really soothing as you continue the practice. When you're ready, breathe in through the nose. Breathe in 360-degree opening. Breathe out with a hum. And just go as long as you can. When you get to the end of your breath, you might hold for a moment and then repeat. You'll inhale, expand that 360 breath. Exhale with a hum. Go to the end of your breath. When you get there, just hold it for a moment. Let's do 3 more like that. Inhale, expand. Exhale, hum. As you exhale, the mouth is closed, the hum is in the face area, and you feel that vibration. Feels good. 2 more breaths. Inhale, and if you're not the same pace as me, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter too much. Just make it work for you. Exhale, hum. It's all good. Just exploring the breath. Last time, inhale, expand. Proper breathing mechanics. Exhale, hum. Get the benefit of that vibration in the body. And then come back to your natural breath, not trying to control it. Bring a smile to your face. Notice what that does in the body. That releases oxytocin. Makes us feel good. As we close our practice, I just want to thank you for your time and attention, for doing something good for both your mind and your body, for slowing down the pace of our day or evening, and just giving this gift of focused breathing to help us manage our stress from the inside out. It is a beautiful gift. I'm Coach Erin. I work as a professional coach to help people overcome anxiety and stress in their life and become better communicators. If you want to get connected, just check the link in the description and we can get connected on a discovery call. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Other than that, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.